my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. I hope you guys are doing really great. Finally, the wait is over, and here is my new house tour. I am so excited to show you guys the house. And before I start, I want to tell you guys, I'm not going to show you guys my room because since you guys asked for a detailed version, I'm going to do that. So I'm going to keep my room aside and film another video for that. But you'll get the whole house, every nook and corner of the house except my room. So I hope you guys are excited as I am to show you guys my new house. And if you guys love this video, please don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first to begin with, here is the entrance, the main entrance where you guys entered from. And now I'm going to stand on this side of the door. And when you see on my left, you can see a shoe rack. We just keep our basic shoes and rest all is inside our room in our cupboards. And to my right, you can see a little table over here in which this is what we call our sanitization area. We basically keep our sanitizers, masks and everything. Like if any guests come in, they can quickly sanitize. Or if you go again on my right, you can find the guest bathroom. Let's enter in. It's just normal. Here you can either wash your hands and the toilet. We have kept a lot of stuff and jumped in with a lot of like our mop, detergents and stuff. So it's nothing much, just a normal washroom. On this side, on my right, you can see the kitchen, which I'm going to show you in a little while. So let's move on my left. And the most best part of the house is this mirror place. I love this mirror place because it is a full-length mirror, and what is better than for a girl to take a whole outfit of the day picture whenever her outfit is amazing. So this is the most best part of the place. So on my left, you get this whole like a beautiful rack in which my mom has really well decorated with all showpieces. First off, with this beautiful painting which was already there in the house. Also, I forgot to mention, our house is a fully furnished house. There are a few things which we added, but then the rest were already there. Yeah, this is just normal showpieces. First place for God, for sure. And we have candles and stuff, and normal showpieces, and the picture of my mom and dad. We made sure in this house we didn't keep a lot of photo frames, but we had to keep them, so yeah. And also, before heading on to the most important place, there is a cute dog over here, which is actually a stuffed doll, but many of the people who enter our house have always thought it's a real dog. But no, it's not. It's a dog which my dad loves a lot. The only stuffed toy that he loves a lot, and he kept him right in front over here. So with its little pup over here, and it has a lot of ties which pretty much explains basically each function that we have done in our house. We are communion, my sister's communion, everything. The all ties, like we have like themes and stuff. Every tie has come and put for the dog. See, when he's tired, he basically comes, removes his ties and put it on the dog, and we never use it later. So it's always over there. And I think this tradition will continue until marriages and marriages. Also, not forget to mention, there is a very famous bat over here. We have not found a place to keep it, but my dad is a big fan of cricket and is a cricketer, all-rounder. So this is a bat which is given by Kapil Dev. If any cricket fans are watching this, he's also signed it. I don't know which sign, but there are a lot of famous cricketers sign. And his best wishes are given and everything. So we have not found a place to keep it. So that's the reason it was kept back there since we just shifted. But we'll definitely find a very good place to keep it. So this is very close to my dad. Without wasting much time, we are going to move to the main part of the house, which is the hall. So come on in. When you come here front, I'm going to take you to the dining area first. So this is my dining area. It is a 6-seater dining table, and you all know my dad's collection of liquor from the old house. So this is just getting increased. So this is basically the first 3 shelves or something is all his liquor collection ones. And next shelves are basically glasses, cutleries, crockeries and stuff. I am so freaking blessed that we have a dining table now, because what do? We do grace before meals before every dinner or lunch. So it's like a very good thing and it feels amazing. And now I'm gonna show you guys the kitchen. So here basically this counter has our basket of fruits, chocolates and nuts and stuff. but it's a semi-open kitchen, which I love. And if you guys, and obviously you guys don't know, I sit here. Why did I choose this space? It's because it's so easy. If mom keeps food, it's easy to grab and I get the first serve. So this is a semi-open kitchen. I will definitely take you guys and give a peek inside the kitchen. But I love that how it is a semi-open kitchen. We always wanted one, so I truly love this. So I'm going to do a transition where I'll move inside the kitchen right now. So in 3, 2, 1. So I am in my kitchen right now, but you guys are in the other side, out of the window, out of the open place over there. So I don't have much to show in the kitchen because it's my mom's kitchen and she strictly mentioned to me that don't show a lot of things because she didn't arrange it well. We need a lot of arrangement time and stuff. So just normal open kitchen with a lot of cabinets and electric stove, which I never operated before because our old house was gas, like the fire one. So it took a little bit of time for me and my mom both for us to understand. But my sister in UK has an electric gas, so it works out well. And there are just normal appliances like a toaster, kettle, a microwave, and do not forget to mention we have a freaking oven, guys. I am very excited. Why? Because we did have an oven in the old house, but we kept a lot of like our utensils in it and we never operated it. But now my sister, shout out to her, she's become an amazing baker. So we have an oven. Basically there are oven appliances and all kept, and then just normal fridge. We have a lot of dumping stuff here because we don't have a storeroom for keeping the boxes and stuff, so it just kept up there. But she's gonna arrange, she told, and yeah, definitely we visited a lot of places. So a fridge without magnets is impossible. So yeah, and water dispenser. That's it. So this is my kitchen, and now we're gonna head off to the hall. So now we have come to our living room. So big to begin with, on my left there's a one-seater sofa with like a little place to keep like drinks or something, and then we have our five-seater sofa. This was already there. There's this big coffee table or whatever you can say, a center table, and this cute centerpiece kept on it with 3 candles. And this is basically an antique piece, like a chair. It's very pretty. And when you come on my right over here, we have this really beautiful Barcalounger, a red one, and I love this. Like everyone loves this. And again, on my right when we go here, we have a very beautiful altar. And it is my favorite spot over here. We have plants. Basically every plant you see in the house is my mom's. She is in love with plants. Even in my old house, behind my backgrounds, you could see we had plants. So we have these 2 plants. And if you move front, we have the speaker and the TV section with 2 shelves of trophies filled in. I can say hardly 1 or 2 are mine and none are my sisters, but 1 or 2 are mine for singing and something and for dancing. So that's it. My dad, he loves sport. He's a very athletic person, so a lot of trophies. And then our TV, and then over here we have candles. A new habit we bought into the house are getting a lot of candles. Anytime the sale and stuff in Bath and Body Works, candles is the best purchase. So we get a lot of candles. And then there's again a cute plant, and again a very huge trophy which we couldn't fit in up there, so we've kept it over here. This area, I would say, it is a small garden. We don't have a balcony in this house, so my mom has kept a whole, I can say this is a garden, small garden of all plants she's kept. So over here we have again a lot of plants. I might come a little dark right now because of the sun and the opposite reflection, but don't mind me, and all are my mom's plants. So not forget to mention these 2 cute plants kept in here. Basically this is a rose plant which the roses bloomed in a few days ago, and it's beautiful. It's my mom's. And there's another cute plant which give blooms and flowers. You can see it's not come out, but it's actually a winter flower, so basically it will take time for it to come. Now without wasting much of your time, I'm definitely going to show you guys the view now, so enjoy it. here. What I love this place, why? Because we get the sunset every time. Over here when we go in, we have another plant with on a table kept over here, and there's a candle over there, which the candle is basically going off, so it doesn't matter much. Another plant over here. So basically this whole section of the area is always plants, plants, plants. So this was our hall, but I forgot to mention we have another beautiful painting right behind me, and do not forget to mention again a beautiful chandelier. The night time the chandelier looks amazing because obviously the light, but now it's daytime, and now I'm taking you guys to our hallway. But I want to mention, I showed you the daytime view, but also I'm going to show you guys the night view, the beautiful montage of the night view, because it looks amazing from here, as we have the city center view and a lot. So I'm going to show you guys night view too. So now let's go into the hallway. So here, when you walk in, there's a hallway. And when you walk in, there are 2 bedrooms in this whole house. And this room right over here on my left is mine and my sister's room, which I'm not going to show you guys since I told you I'm going to do a detailed version of it. And also it's a little dirty. I would show it to you guys, but it's very dirty. So I need time to arrange it. But on my right over here, we have this another bathroom. Well, we don't have a bathroom, so we basically use this. So now we are inside our bathroom. I'm going to just say our bathroom. My voice will echo a little, but we have a bathtub over here and a shelf on top over there. Why? Because we keep our all shower gels, shampoos, conditioners and stuff. And then we have a sink, and we have my skincare, which basically I miss all the time. But when I remember, I definitely try my best to always complete my skincare and sleep. So that is it. That is basically the bathroom. Now we are gonna head to my parents' room, which is the master bedroom. So welcome into my parents' room. The moment you come in, you get this walk-in closet basically. So here I am in the walk-in closet. This is it's a 5-door wardrobe. So this is what I don't like in my parents' room, because it's a master room and they have a walk-in closet. And I always wanted a walk-in closet, but then we don't have it, so they have it. And on my right over here is their master bathroom, and I'm gonna take you guys in. Why? Because I am really excited to show you the bathroom, because they have a freaking jacuzzi, which I'm gonna show it to you guys. Come on in. When you come into my mom's and dad's washroom, you get this, they have a shower area, and they also have a freaking bathtub, which is a jacuzzi. And I am so excited to use it. We have not used it, we have not operated it yet. But I am really excited. I've got Epsom salts, bath bombs and everything. So when you come back from that walk-in closet, when you come here, you get to see this whole huge big sliding wardrobe. And then when you come front, you get to see my dad and mom's big bed, and this is the way she's arranged and kept it. I love the way she arranges the bed. And when you come on my right over here, you get to see her dressing table. She's not arranged it well, as I mentioned in my last video that they are traveling India, so everything is just messed up in a room because there are suitcases kept down still. And then when you come this side, here we have my dad's workplace, which is very messy, so I'm not going to show it to you guys in detail. And then there are suitcases and stuff, and there's our old TV kept in. We didn't know where to place it right now, so we just kept it right there. And I'm going to explain why we have a whole mattress kept in here. This is basically my mom and dad's medicated mattress that was used in the old house. We bought it here so that we can fit into the bed, but it did not fit in, so now we have to throw it. So we've just kept it for now, and then we're gonna later throw it. And then this is my dad's side table with 3 pictures of us. We are whole family picture. This one was taken in Thailand, this one was taken in Hong Kong, and this one was taken in Bahrain. And then we have this hanger kind of a thing, like a rack or something, where you just hang in suits or something, or shirts that you have ironed and kept and you have to wear it. So yeah, and there's this very huge teddy bear, which was my mom's first Valentine's Day gift teddy bear. So we have kept this still, so it's there. So now we're gonna head out. So that was basically our house tour. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. and I hope I explained well. This was like a first time I showed a house tour, and room tour is definitely coming in a detailed version since you guys asked for one. And I hope you guys are doing safe. Don't forget to give this video a big like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. After you hit the subscribe button, you'll get a small bell. Don't forget to press that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, stay safe and don't forget to always keep smiling. I love you guys. Bye bye.